So this isn't the usual tutorial video, but I wanted to go over this really cool feature that I put in a recent game jam project. So my game is called Frigid Cosmos. It was made for the Godot Wild Jam, and you can play it in the link if you want. But essentially I have this objective system in the top left. And what I wanted is whenever you complete an objective, I want it to play like a little animation where it crosses off the objective and like draws a line over all the text. So I'm going to complete the objective here, and you guys can see this animation play. So just like that, and we get the line which draws across the text. Now there's a couple ways I could have done it. One is to use BB code and essentially make the text, have strike through. But the more I thought about that, it's not exactly animated. It would kind of do the whole label at once. So the idea I came up with is to use a label and then put a progress bar as a child of the label. So what I did is inside of my progress bar, I just went down and I changed the style. So it's just a green box. And then for the background, it's just an empty style box. But essentially, when I change the value or the progress, it's going to obviously fill up the progress bar. So then from there, all I did was I made an animation player and simply animated the progress bar's value. And if you want, you can use a curve like I did here. So you can see that this is my value curve, and it's just a very smooth transition. So the finished product with the check mark and everything looks like this, playing the animation here, and it just slowly crosses it off, which I think looks really smooth. And I just thought it was a really interesting way of handling this because I couldn't really think of another good way to animate, like having all the text get, checked off. And the other good thing is the speed is always the same, and also it adapts to the length of the label, obviously. So if I add a bunch of, characters to this, the animation is going to continue until it crosses all of the letters off, which is really neat. So that's really it for this video. I just wanted to share that. I thought it was kind of a cool technique, and maybe it gives you guys some ideas on other methods you could do with this kind of a thing. Yeah, that's it for this one, so I will see you guys in the next one.